What's up everybody, I just want to bring this real quick and easy tutorial on how to format and assign a drive letter to your extended media, whether that be a hard drive or a solid state drive. It's really simple and the same for both, so let's get right into it. First of all, you want to come up to, or you want to go to this PC, go to computer, and at the bottom right you'll see manage, click on manage. And then from here it brings up a computer management window. You want to go to disk management at the bottom. It's going to load all of your hard drives that you have attached to the computer, whether that be internal or external. So in my case, down here at the bottom, I can see that disk 4 is unallocated, which means that this 2 terabyte hard drive is not able to be read by my computer right now. So what I want to do is go ahead and click Write, New Simple Volume. A little wizard's going to pop up, and you just kind of follow the wizard from there. Click Next. Don't mess with this. This is just how much space is on your drive. Click Next again, and from here you can assign whatever drive letter you want. In my case, I'm just going to do E because that's what it chose. Click Next, and from here you want to go ahead and leave it on NTFS and the default allocation style or allocation size. And from here you can label it whatever you want to do. So in my case, I'm just going to label it extended. Wow, I cannot type today. Extended storage number 2, because I already have number 2 or number 1. So from here, just leave everything else the same. Click Next. It's going to bring up a little, like, this is all your settings, blah 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 blah. Click Finish, and there you go. It's formatting. So once it's done formatting, it's going to bring it up. You can go back to this PC, and boom, you got another extended storage. So that's how you do it. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, please subscribe and hit like. Let me know what you'd like to see in the future, and I will see you guys in the next video.